So by now you've probably heard about 1,453,006 ways to use AI, right? Well, I want to give you 3 more that I haven't seen or heard before. I want to share them with you because I think it will make your life as a teacher a little bit better, a little bit more efficient, and that's just going to make life better for all the students. Hey everyone, my name is Krista. I am from Whimsy and Rigor, and I'm here to make middle school not the worst place ever. So let's get into how you can use AI in creative ways. The first one is when I come up with a lesson plan, with an activity for my students, I will put it into ChatGPT and I will say, give me 3 possible places students might struggle. Now, I am a seasoned teacher. I've been teaching for like 16, 17 years. I honestly don't know. I'm pretty good at figuring out where students are going to get stuck. And I'm pretty good about front loading everything that they need so they don't get stuck. If it's a new strategy or a new skill or a new way of teaching something to my students, I like to use AI just to help me brainstorm what are the places kids are going to get stuck. So that's the first way that you can use AI to make your teaching even better, is by asking ChatGPT, where are kids going to get stuck in this? Then you can creatively problem solve. The second way I use ChatGPT is such a time saver. Okay, as teachers, we know how important it is for students to have concrete examples, concrete models of what they are aiming for. I used to write all the example essays, and that just takes a lot of time. So here's what I do. I have my rubric, my beautiful, stunning, perfected rubric. I put it into ChatGPT and I say, give me an example essay on this topic for each of these levels. So students can see, okay, here's what exceeds expectations looks like. Here is what approaching expectations look like, and on down through all of the different levels of your rubric. I think this is a really great way for students to see exactly what is the difference between meeting expectations and exceeding expectations. It can be very nuanced, but having a concrete example to go along with your rubrics will give students exactly what am I aiming for? What is my goal? It is not only super time saving to use AI in this way, but it also makes it super clear to students exactly what it is you are asking for. The third way that I see AI as improving our work as teachers has to do with helping you see trends. Now, I am excellent at looking at what each individual student needs and each individual skill each student is working on. I'm not so great at looking at whole class or big picture trends. So what you can do is take student work and copy it, of course without their names or other identifying info, and paste it into ChatGPT and ask for it to give you specific trends that it is seeing in this body of work. So you can ask ChatGPT to look for specific things, like maybe just focus on grammar. Where are the kids really struggling with grammar as a whole class? You can ask it to look at arguing articulately. You can look at embedding evidence. You can look at just anything and just ask ChatGPT, hey, give me some trends. What do you notice in this writing, both positive and negative? So AI can do that big picture, bird's eye view level analysis that if you're anything like me, it's really hard for you to see what as a whole class, what is the trend, what are the kids working on? And this is a nice way to quickly, easily get that information so that then you can design whole group lessons that will help address these trends, and also whole group commendations to be like, yes, you all are totally nailing this specific skill. Great job. Of course, with any of these tools, you have to tell the AI what role you want it to play. So I typically start with be a middle school language arts teacher and then put in whatever your prompt is. It's really important to make sure that you are giving AI a specific role, because that's going to tailor its responses to better fit exactly what you're looking for. You can go ahead and add these 3 things to your massive list of different ways that AI can be used as a teacher. And I hope you give one of them a try. And if you do, please let me know how it goes. I hope these tools really help you be the kind of teacher you want to be for your students. See you next time.